Where do you get a millionaire mindset? Is this something that is randomly awarded to a small percentage of the population, or is this something that we develop? When I was younger, around the age of 10, I had big dreams. I wanted to be rich, live in a mansion, drive a Lamborghini, and support my family. I didn't want money to ever be a problem for me or the people I care about. Did you ever have dreams like that? However, the older I got, the smaller my dreams became. I had to be realistic. But how do we define realistic? As we grow, our environment shapes us. We learn what we can, and more importantly, what we can't do. And these become our limiting perceptions and beliefs. We develop these beliefs to protect ourselves from pain. If you asked a really attractive girl or guy out on a date and they turned you down, how would you feel? You might feel a little hurt and make up the belief asking someone out can lead to rejection or pain, therefore you avoid doing that in the future. Our beliefs try to protect our feelings, but the beliefs that protect us also imprison us. Now, obviously, this doesn't apply to just your relationships, but your finances as well. We make up these beliefs and BS excuses about why we're not rich. I'm not rich because my parents weren't rich. I lacked role models. It's my circumstances. It's this person or that person or this thing or that thing. I don't have the money, time, education, skill, or resources. It's not my fault, so I can't or won't do anything to fix it. Do those sound familiar? I know they do for me. So how do you break through these limiting beliefs? Can you remember a specific time when something seemed impossible for you, and yet somehow you still managed to achieve it? This is known as a breakthrough. Often, negative emotions such as stress, frustration, anger, sadness trigger a breakthrough. You can get a breakthrough from anything. A conversation with a friend, a new article or book you read, a video you watched, and so on. Breakthroughs can happen in a moment. It doesn't take 10 years, but a real decision that you act upon. In fact, you can even use this as the start of your financial breakthrough. Because you're still here right now, it means you're uncomfortable with where you are at and you're looking for answers to get to your next level. Tony Robbins, a leading life and business coach, taught me the 3 steps to a breakthrough. These steps can be applied to any area of your life, especially the financial area. The first and most important step is to change your state. If you feel terrible, would you feel motivated to take action? Nope. Therefore, you must shift your state first. If you change your body, how you move, breathe, and speak, your mind will follow. How do you move, breathe, and speak when you feel unstoppable? What about when you feel helpless? If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. After you get into a strong state, you can then proceed to the next step, creating an empowering story that makes you take action. A story is basically a set of beliefs, and it can be empowering or disempowering. Our disempowering stories are what stop us from becoming rich. We tell ourselves BS excuses on why it won't work, why it can't work, or why it only works for others. You could have all the answers you need, but if your story is, I can't do it because, are you going to take action? What stories have you been telling yourself about money? Are they empowering or disempowering? If they're disempowering you and keeping you from taking action, it might be time to craft a new story. Your story could be true. For example, you could have been born to a poor family, but if it's not empowering you, it's time to change it. After you shift your state and story, then it's time to find an effective strategy. The best way to find a strategy that works is to copy someone else. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, find someone who is doing what you want to do and learn from them. A proven plan saves you time and energy. However, in the same way that you don't want to ask a fat person on how to get fit, you don't want to ask a poor person on how to get rich. In this information age, you have access to anyone and everyone through technology such as LinkedIn, Google, or ChatGPT. When you combine an unstoppable state with an empowering story, you will not only find effective strategies, but also execute them and reap the rewards. The first and most important strategy that you must learn is how to allocate your money effectively. Every rich person knows and does this. If you don't do it, having a millionaire mindset is useless. This next video will cover how you can save money even if you have a tight budget.